channel Lead by Learning. In today's video, we are going to talk about the simple past tense. Yes, that's right. Simple past tense is the first branch of past tense. Okay, past tense means भूतकाल, जो बातें हो चुकी हैं. That is what about past tense. So now while talking about the simple past tense, we will understand how you are going to recognize a sentence, what would be the helping verb used in simple past tense, and which verb you are going to use, and how the whole branch is all about. Okay, so see the whole video further. Now, the past tense, simple past tense denote us an action that had been taken in the past, or the action of in the state of being in a past form. Alright, so that shows simple past tense. Now, what are the helping verbs which are used in simple past tense? There is only one helping verb which is used in the simple past tense, that is did. Yes, that's right, that is did. Now again, which verb form you are going to use in simple past tense? You are going to use the second form. Yes, the past form, the second form you are going to use in सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. वर्ब की सेकेंड फॉर्म आप सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में यूज करेंगे. ओके, नाउ थंब रूल, डू रिमेंबर that whenever you are going to use did, again you are going to use the first form in the sentence. Okay, so I will show you, I will make you aware of this with more examples. For example, we say I went, मैं गया था. I went, that is a positive sentence. But when you are making it negative, you will say I didn't go, I did not go. So when I use did, I have made went to the first form like go. Okay, so while making negative sentence, I have used did and I have converted the second form of verb into the first form, that was go. Okay, now while making interrogative, you are going to place did before the subject I. Example, did I go? And again I have said go because there was did. Now while making interrogative plus negative, I would say didn't I go, or I can also say did I not go. These both are same. Okay, and always remember that did plus not equal to didn't. Didn't भी कह सकते हैं and didn't. It's all about British English and American English. Okay, but still again I would say that pronunciation is really matters. Okay, so as I said, these are the forms, and always we are using did either in interrogative sentence or in negative sentence, or in interrogative plus negative sentence. We are hardly using did during affirmative sentences. It's like no. Let me give you one more example. मैंने कहा था, I told. मैंने नहीं कहा था, I did not tell, या I didn't tell. क्या मैंने कहा था? Did I tell? क्या मैंने नहीं कहा था? Didn't I tell? Okay, so like this you are going to use simple past tense. This is very easy, but again for any kind of the branch, if you want to have the thumb rule in that, if you want that all the branches should be in your fingertips, then again do learn 3 forms. Without that you can't be handy in tenses. Okay, thank you so much for your precious time. See the first clips and you will understand simple past tense in detail. Simple past tense used to denote an action which happened at some time in the past or for state of being past. Now what would be the sentence formation? Subject plus verb past plus object. She graduated Cambridge University last year. He invited me twice last week. He is the young boy who broke the window last night. I met her last year. He spent all his time strolling. They became the highest two ones. You understood the lesson but you didn't read. I determined to join high school. As you can see, these were affirmative sentences, but that would give you more clarifications. So now let me give you more clarification about simple past tense with this clip. So the simple past tense, as I have told you, indicates an action which is completed at a definite time in the past. Now you can see here positive, negative and question kind of sentences. Let's have a look. I started, I did not start, did I start? So you can see that when I have used did in negative and question, we have used first form like start, and in positive sentence we have used second form like started. See the other examples. You started, you didn't start, did you start? He started, he did not start, did he start? She started, she did not start, did she start? It started, it did not start, did it start? We started, we did not start, did we start? You started, you did not start, did you start? They started, they did not start, did they start? So we have used the sentences with all the subjects like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Now see others. We watched the news last night. Negative. We did not watch the news last night. Did we watch the news last night? Like this. They went to the party yesterday. They did not go to the party yesterday. We have convert went to go. Did they go to the party yesterday? She read the book. Sorry, she read the book. When we will pronounce read as a second or third form, we will pronounce it as read. Okay? Now, in negative sentence, she did not read the book. Did she read the book? He drew beautiful pictures last week. He did not draw beautiful pictures last week. Did he draw beautiful pictures last week? I learned Spanish last summer. I did not learn Spanish last summer. Did I learn Spanish last summer? You gave the present to your friend. You did not give the present to your friend. Did you give the present to your friend? We bought a new car. We did not buy a new car. Did we buy a new car? I'm sure this satisfies your concern and urge of Jill for simple past tense. Thank you so much for your precious time, and as I said, keep practicing, keep